10 ultralight rifles built for extreme mountain hunts in 2025. Hunting in the rugged, unpredictable terrain of towering mountain ranges demands more than just skill. It demands the perfect weapon. For the adventurous spirit chasing game in extreme conditions, the weight of your rifle can make or break your experience. Every ounce matters when you're trekking steep inclines, crossing treacherous ridges, or navigating dense forests. That's where ultralight rifles come into play. These marvels of engineering are crafted to combine featherlight portability with unrivaled power and accuracy, ensuring you're prepared for the hunt of a lifetime without being bogged down by excess weight. Christensen Arms Modern Precision Rifle MPR. The Christensen Arms Modern Precision Rifle MPR is a masterpiece of engineering and craftsmanship, designed for hunters who demand nothing less than perfection. Built on an ultra-lightweight chassis, this rifle blends strength and portability seamlessly. The precision-machined aluminum construction ensures durability in even the harshest conditions, while the carbon fiber components keep the weight astonishingly low. At its core, the MPR boasts Christensen Arms' proprietary carbon fiber barrel, which not only reduces weight, but also enhances accuracy by minimizing barrel vibration and heat buildup. What sets the MPR apart is its adaptability. Featuring a fully adjustable stock, this rifle is built to fit hunters of all sizes and preferences, ensuring maximum comfort during long hunts. The stock's folding mechanism also adds to its portability, making it easier to transport during grueling treks. Chambered in a variety of calibers, the MPR offers versatility to match the needs of any hunt, whether you're pursuing high-altitude goats or plains game. Every shot fired from the MPR feels like a testament to cutting-edge firearm innovation, and its superior accuracy ensures you never miss your mark. Ruger American Predator. The Ruger American Predator is the embodiment of value meeting performance. Lightweight, rugged, and incredibly reliable, this rifle is a favorite among hunters who want top-tier performance without breaking the bank. Its synthetic stock is designed to withstand the elements, from freezing cold to blistering heat, while maintaining a featherlight profile. The compact design makes it easy to carry over long distances, whether you're hiking up a steep mountain trail or crossing rough terrain. At the heart of the Predator is its barrel, a cold hammer-forged masterpiece that ensures exceptional accuracy with every shot. Ruger has optimized the barrel length to provide excellent velocity without adding unnecessary weight, making it perfect for long-range shots in open country or quick follow-up shots in dense cover. The rifle's threaded muzzle adds versatility, allowing hunters to attach suppressors or muzzle brakes for added customization. Weatherby Mark V Backcountry 2.0. The Weatherby Mark V Backcountry 2.0 is a rifle that redefines what's possible in mountain hunting. Known for its stunningly lightweight design, this rifle is built for hunters who are constantly on the move, scaling steep peaks, and navigating rugged landscapes. Weighing as little as 5.4 pounds, the Mark V Backcountry 2.0 features a carbon fiber stock that not only reduces weight, but also provides superior durability and stability. Its compact and ergonomic design ensures that carrying this rifle feels effortless, even during the most grueling hunts. What makes the Mark V Backcountry 2.0 truly remarkable is its innovative 54-degree bolt throw. This ultra-smooth action allows for faster cycling and less effort, which can be a game-changer in high-pressure situations. Coupled with the signature Weatherby Magnum chambering, this rifle delivers incredible power and flat trajectories, ensuring that you can take ethical shots at long ranges with confidence. Sako 85 Carbonlight. The Sako 85 Carbonlight is a true gem for mountain hunters, blending unmatched craftsmanship with cutting-edge materials to create a rifle that's as light as it is accurate. The rifle's carbon fiber stock is not only incredibly lightweight, but also exceptionally strong, capable of withstanding the harshest conditions. Designed with balance and comfort in mind, the Sako 85 Carbonlight feels like an extension of your body, making it easy to carry and handle even during the longest treks. Inside, the rifle features Sako's legendary smooth bolt action, which has become synonymous with reliability and precision. The match-grade barrel and free-floating design ensure that every shot is accurate and consistent, whether you're aiming at game on a distant ridge or a nearby target. The rifle is also chambered in a variety of calibers, giving hunters the flexibility to choose the perfect setup for their specific needs. Bergara B14 Ridge. The Bergara B14 Ridge is a rifle that combines old-school dependability with modern innovations, making it a favorite for hunters tackling tough mountain terrain. Designed with precision and durability in mind, this rifle is built around Bergara's renowned barrel manufacturing expertise. The cold hammer-forged barrel is meticulously crafted to deliver consistent accuracy, even in challenging conditions. Whether you're braving freezing temperatures or hiking through humid environments, the B14 Ridge remains a reliable partner. What sets the B14 Ridge apart is its attention to balance and handling. The rifle features a molded synthetic stock with integrated mini-chassis technology that provides exceptional stability and consistency shot after shot. This ensures the barrel remains perfectly free-floating, which is key to achieving the pinpoint accuracy needed for long-range mountain hunting. The design also incorporates a soft-touch coating, offering a secure grip even when your hands are wet or cold. Tikka T3x Light. The Tikka T3x Light is a rifle that truly lives up to its name, offering a featherweight design without compromising on power or accuracy. This rifle is a dream for hunters who need to cover miles of rugged terrain while keeping their gear as light as possible. The synthetic stock is reinforced with fiberglass, making it durable enough to handle the bumps and scrapes of mountain hunting. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, even during long hours of carrying and shooting. One of the standout features of the Tikka T3x Light is its smooth bolt action. Tikka has perfected this mechanism to deliver a seamless cycling experience that minimizes noise, an invaluable feature when stalking game in close quarters. The rifle is also equipped with a recoil pad that reduces felt recoil, making it easier to stay on target for follow-up shots. The T3x Light's lightweight construction doesn't just make it easier to carry, it also enhances maneuverability, allowing hunters to quickly and accurately aim in tight or awkward spaces. Remington Model 700 CDL SF. The Remington Model 700 CDL SF is a timeless classic that has been modernized for hunters who demand lightweight performance in the mountains. This iconic rifle is known for its legendary accuracy, which has been trusted by generations of hunters. The CDL SF Classic Deluxe Stainless Fluted variant takes it a step further with its stainless steel barrel and fluted design, reducing weight while enhancing durability and heat dissipation. The rifle's walnut stock adds a touch of traditional elegance while remaining functional for tough outdoor conditions. It's designed with a raised cheekpiece and ergonomic grip, ensuring comfort and proper alignment for precise shooting. The Model 700 CDL SF also features Remington's X-Mark Pro adjustable trigger, which provides a crisp and clean break that contributes to its legendary accuracy. Seekins Precision Havak Pro Long Range. The Seekins Precision Havak Pro Long Range rifle is a game-changer for hunters who prioritize accuracy and long-range performance in lightweight packages. Built with precision in mind, this rifle features a stainless steel barrel that has been painstakingly crafted for superior accuracy. The barrel is paired with Seekins' proprietary action, ensuring ultra-smooth cycling and reliability in any condition. What makes the Havak Pro Long Range stand out is its lightweight carbon composite stock. This advanced material keeps the rifle's weight down while providing exceptional rigidity and stability. The stock is also ergonomically designed to ensure a comfortable shooting experience, even after hours of use. For hunters who need to take long-range shots in extreme conditions, the Havak Pro offers unmatched stability and precision, making it an indispensable tool in the field. Savage Arms 110 Ultralite. The Savage Arms 110 Ultralite is a marvel of engineering, designed for hunters who refuse to compromise on weight or performance. At the heart of this rifle is its carbon fiber wrapped barrel, which drastically reduces weight while maintaining durability and accuracy. Savage has partnered with PROF Research to deliver a barrel that not only enhances performance, but also withstands the rigors of extreme hunting conditions. The 110 Ultralite features Savage's renowned AccuFit system, which allows hunters to customize the stock's comb height and length of pull. This ensures a perfect fit for every shooter, enhancing comfort and accuracy. The rifle also incorporates the AccuTrigger, a user-adjustable trigger system that delivers a crisp and consistent pull. These features make the 110 Ultralite one of the most user-friendly rifles on the market, particularly for those who need to adapt to different hunting scenarios. Proof Research Carbon Fiber Rifle. The Proof Research Carbon Fiber Rifle is the epitome of lightweight performance. This rifle is built around Proof Research's groundbreaking carbon fiber barrel technology, which combines the accuracy of steel with the weight savings of carbon fiber. The result is a barrel that is not only lighter, but also stronger and more resistant to heat and wear. For hunters traversing extreme mountain terrain, this translates to less fatigue and greater precision over long distances. The rifle's stock is equally impressive, made from advanced composite materials that provide exceptional strength without adding unnecessary weight. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the stock ensures a comfortable and secure grip, even in wet or cold conditions. The Proof Research Carbon Fiber Rifle is also highly customizable, with options for various calibers and configurations to suit the needs of any hunt. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.